wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide.
Ezvid presents the 10 best face painting kits. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10, the Snazaroo Mini Starter Kit includes 6 classic colors in individual resealable containers. You get 18 milliliters of each, enough to cover 300 full faces. These are water-based and easy to remove, so you can correct mistakes easily and clean up quickly. It comes with 3 sizes of brush and dries in just 1 minute. However, the carrying case cracks easily. At number 9, with its creamy texture and tiered palette, the Artiparty Premium is a pleasure to use. Once dry, it won't crack or feel cakey on your skin, and each individual compartment has its own lid to prevent smudging or transferring between colors. This is theatrical quality paint that's non-toxic and hypoallergenic, but the included brushes are not very sturdy. Coming in at number 8 on our list, the Klutz Craft Kit is perfect for beginners and children. It comes with professional Wolf brand paints in bright colors, as well as a brush and a sponge. The included 58-page book features tear-out instruction cards that make it easy to copy the designs. It includes 6 base pigments and is suitable for children aged 8 and up. However, the included designs are a bit boring. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for face painting kits, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, the Snazaroo Ultimate Party Pack contains a dozen vibrant colors and 2 glitter gels for a sparkly finish. It includes a step-by-step guide that makes it easy for anyone to create a variety of designs, from animals to superheroes. It washes off with soap and water and dries to the touch in minutes. It's a fragrance-free formula. Moving up our list to number 6, a winner of the Tiddlywink Sterling Fun Award, the colourful art company Mega is backed by a 90-day money-back guarantee. It's hypoallergenic, so you don't have to worry about any irritating ingredients, and is easy to remove with a damp cloth or baby wipes. It's also vegan and paraben-free, and comes with a complimentary online guide, and enough paint for 150 faces. Halfway up our list at number 5, favoured by professionals and impressively vibrant, the Kryvaline Rainbow contains 12 split cakes, ideal for artists who like to use the one-stroke technique. Some colours are harder to wash off than others, so you may want to pre-treat skin with moisturiser beforehand. It blends extremely well and provides a great variety of colours. A little goes a long way. At number 4, the custom body art glitter features 12 brilliant colors and another 12 shimmering glitter shades to lay on top of the paint or to work by themselves. It also comes with 2 bottles of body glue and stencils for creating fun temporary tattoos. It includes brushes and sponges and lasts for up to 7 days. You get 10 milliliters of each color. Nearing the top of our list at number 3, the Blue Squid Classic includes 30 stencils in fun shapes like birds, dinosaurs and 4-leaf clovers, and 3 brushes, from thick to ultra-thin. You'll also get instant access to step-by-step video guides that take you through the process of creating different looks. The pots are removable and come in a reusable plastic case. It's good quality for the price. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for face painting kits, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, simple to use and mess-free, mosaiz crayons are great for taking to festivals, sporting events and birthday parties. They're FDA compliant, easy to wash off with just soap and water, and brightly pigmented for vivid designs. They retract to prevent them drying out and have blunt tips for safety. They're textured for a non-slip grip. And taking the top spot on our list, capable of providing over 1,000 applications and made for professional use, the Mehron Makeup Paradise AQ includes 30 rich colors that are cruelty and gluten-free, as well as vegan. Each cup has a generous surface area to accommodate sponges and large brush heads. It's manufactured in the United States and shows up well on dark skin. It's perfect for cosplay. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for face painting kits, or simply click beneath this video.